Hi guys! Today we're going to be looking at how to create, edit and delete a report. This is a general tutorial, so we won't be looking at any particular frameworks. You can check out our framework specific videos for that. As a general note though, you will be able to add reports for EYFS, Key Stage 1 and 2, SEND, Montessori, and if you're in Australia, EYLF and VEYLDF. Reports is an optional feature, meaning that you will need to enable it to start using it. If you cannot see reports across the top menu, then a manager can enable the feature from Control Panel, Features, and then scrolling all the way down to Reports. When it's disabled, it will have a green button saying Enable, and all you need to do is click on it. Reports are turned on by default though, so it is likely that you won't have to enable it at all. First things first, go to the report section. Let me talk you through what you'll see. The recent reports list will show you the 10 most recent reports in your account. If you're using this feature for the first time, this will be empty, but it will grow as you create reports. If you need to see all the reports, you can do so by clicking on All Reports or List. The template list on the right-hand side will show you your available report templates. Note that you will only see templates for those frameworks you have enabled on your account. Click on the one you want to start a report for. You can now select the child you want to create a report for. You can also change the template if you accidentally clicked on the wrong one. Click on Add to start the report. At the top of the report, you will see you need to set a title. It will not be possible to save the report without this. In the Options section, you can choose the status of the report. There are 3 options available. Draft, you can save a report as a draft whilst you're still working on it. Relatives will not be able to see these. Published, once the report is published, relatives can then view them. And staff only. This shows the report is complete, but only staff members can see them. If you're backdating a report, you can also change the date and time. At the top of this page, there's a Save button. Remember to save your work regularly. The system also saves the report every so often, but manually saving it will ensure your most recent changes remain safe. The rest of the report is quite self-explanatory. You can check out framework-specific reports by watching the corresponding videos. As I mentioned before, if you leave the page before you have saved your report, it will go into an Unsaved Reports sections. Reports are only saved here for 30 days. You'll only be able to see this if you have any unsaved reports in your account. To see them, click where it says Unsaved Reports. Here, it will show you what child the report is for and how many days the report has before being deleted. There are 3 options for how to proceed with the report. Clicking on Review will allow you to see what is included in the report so far, so you can decide what you want to do with it. You can either delete the report or resume your work. When looking at your full or recent reports list, you'll notice an Edit button next to each one. You'll want to go for this option if you want to make changes to the actual report. For the rest, such as changing a report status, you can simply click on the cog icon. You'll find options to change the report status to any of the other 2 status. This is, if your report is published, you can bring it back to draft or set it to staff only and so on. You'll also be able to lock or unlock it, which will determine whether staff and, for published reports, relatives can comment on it or not. You can delete the report from here as well. Deleted reports can be restored by a manager for 30 days. For that, they need to go to the full list of reports and use the filter bar to filter by deleted reports. The cog menu will then feature a Restore to Draft option. And this is how you add, edit, and delete reports.